Okay, in this lesson today, we're going to look at the importance of Windows product keys. So, in many instances, there will be times where you need to find the product key of a computer. And what is a product key? A product key is the 25-digit alphanumeric number that comes with Windows operating systems. It ensures that this product is licensed, that it is able to receive updates, and is activated by Microsoft. Licensing can be a very complex business, especially when you're in a large organization. They use enterprise licensing, which means that the server actually gives those licenses out to computers. But for whatever reason, if you're looking into desktop support or you are troubleshooting a computer, one of the first things I do is pull their product key. It's usually located on a new system or the older ones on the bottom of the computer on a sticker. And this sticker is important because the computer may die. Say the computer it doesn't work anymore, you may as well just buy another system. Well, I can take that license and use it on another computer. Maybe I want to buy a refurbished computer and say, for instance, it has Windows 10. Well, I have a license for Windows 11 Professional. It gives me, it's a better version, say the Windows 10 Home Edition. I get those administrative tools and features that I want. This license may actually be worth more than the system. I want to make sure I always have that. So the first thing I do with any customer is to pull their product key in case we do need to reinstall Windows, in case maybe they are going to get another computer or PC. Then you're able to utilize that license. Another good example of when you may want to have that Windows license is if you're using a virtual machine. So say for instance, I have a new computer, I want to test out Windows 10. There's some things I want to do. I want to use it as a test bed to break it, to fix it. I can set up a virtual machine, and that's really a fake computer inside a real one. And it also needs an operating system. Well, I can use that product key and install that operating system, and it's going to be activated and work as it should. So this lesson is about how to find that. Say, I don't have a sticker, I don't have my paperwork from Microsoft. I need to know what's the product key of this computer. The first thing that you're going to do is go down to search. And in that search box, you're going to type in C like Charlie, M like Mary, D like Delta. CMD stands for command prompt. This is the area where we don't have that GUI interface, which is what we see on the computer. We just have a black and white screen that we can write. So we're giving the commands directly to the computer. I'm not going through other tools or programs to pull this information. I'm going straight to the command line and I'm going to tell it what I need. So once you get to the command prompt, then you want to type in the command that you need for this product key. So type that in, press enter, and voila, you have your product key. It will be a 25-digit alphanumeric number. You want to store this, you want to keep this always or put it in a safe place so you can have it and it's easily accessible. So this is a quick way to pull their product key, especially when you are a network administrator, you're doing desktop support, break fix, and you need to keep up with those keys. So in today's lesson, you have learned how to get the product key from the command prompt. This is Clea with Train Me for Tech and Dare to Care Computers. Until next time.